Um, I'm Derelyn Freeman. I love GetSetUp. I like that it's basic. I like the jargon. I like that it's interactive. I like that it's also encouraging to continue to learn. It has really boosted my confidence into learning more technology. Um, it's very inclusive as well. I like that it's very, very inclusive. Um, I don't like that Aetna has offered silver sneakers, and then now in conjunction with that, there's GetSetUp, and it has just really been beneficial for me personally, and I'm quite sure so many others. As long as you guys are around, I am hanging around. Like I said, I just started work though, and you just kind of learn their platform, but I'm going to include it on Sundays because I believe in one day just shutting down and so it looks like my Sundays, I want to travel. And if I can't do it in person, I can do it to GetSetUp